Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mutabazi Isingizwe Sabine.
Speak up.
Mutabazi Isingizwe Sabine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mutabazi,
Karam.
what do you understand by the term beauty with a purpose?
What I understand by the term beauty and purpose is that
Speak up, please.
what I understand by the term beauty and purpose
With
is,
purpose.
sorry?
Beauty with
a purpose.
Oh, beauty with a purpose. It's beauty not outside only, but also inside, and also having something that you can give others, be impactful to others. Thank you.
Try to speak up, please. So Miss Rwanda platform is a platform that celebrates beauty with a purpose.
Yeah.
Given the platform of Miss Rwanda, what would be your purpose?
My purpose is through my project, which is all about emphasizing first aid trainings among the citizens of Rwanda, especially
First
the youth.
aid trainings?
Among the citizens of Rwanda, especially the youth.
Okay. Go ahead.
So according to my research, I've seen that the mortality rate in Rwanda is a bit high, where 7.1% of people die due to road accidents. And not only road accidents, but also other many people die due to different causes, and people around them are not aware of what to do in case they collapse. Therefore, I chose first aid as my project because we need first aid to save lives and also contribute to the reduction of mortality rate in Rwanda, and also promote
Reduction of mortality rates.
yeah, and also promote a sense of safety and well-being among the Rwandans. So if I get a chance to be crowned Miss Rwanda 2022, my contribution to this matter is that I am going to work hand in hand with Rwanda Red Cross to put more effort in teaching the youth the importance of first aid through educational institutions, so that the youth can have a tool to prevent a situation from getting worse.
Thank you.
And yeah, thanks.
Julie, your verdict.
Good luck.
Thank you. James?
Thanks.
Good luck.
Eileen?
Good luck.